Hey, Lee Summit West students. I wanted to just check in with you guys real quick as we transition to our next group of students that are going to be coming in on Thursday and Friday. I have to say that it was really, really nice to meet you guys on Monday and Tuesday and have students in the class, and learning just all of a sudden just started taking off a different direction. So it was really nice to see that learning in person and look at your sketchbooks and see what you guys have been up to, talk to you, but then also see you guys doing your work. So it was really, really good. And I look forward to the other half of the alphabet tomorrow. And for those of you that are coming, I just wanted to give you a quick update. You will start in your advisory class, and then you are going to go to hours 1 through 7. So your whole schedule, it's not block schedule. And as you guys do that, I would suggest make sure you have your book bag with all of your stuff inside that book bag, your Chromebook, all your materials. Be prepared to wipe down tables that we spray with disinfectant. I think that was kind of a hard learning curve for those people that were here Monday and Tuesday. So we soak everything with disinfectant as one class leaves and the next class comes. Those students grab paper towels and wipe stuff down real quick. And so be prepared for changes like that. Be prepared to make sure that you're social distant from other people. We don't want people standing close together. We've spaced you guys out so that this can be a workable thing and it stays workable. And so that we also are healthy and not sick ourselves. Because if I get sick, I'm out, and then you guys have a sub, and it just kind of goes back to where it was. So we want to stay healthy through this process. And another thing that you guys should be prepared for is lunch. I hear has a very long line because people go through and it's just a social distancing spacing. So one kid said he really had like 5 minutes to eat. So the good thing is that lunch is free, but if you want to let that system kind of ride out and figure out how to make it run smooth, you might bring lunch if you can. And then that way you're not a part of that process of getting in the lunch line, and maybe join the lunch line, next week or something. So just be prepared that that could be a little bit of a mess trying to get in, and you do sit one seat apart. They've taken out the seat in the middle, and so it's just going to be a little different. Another thing is one of the staircases is one way only. That's the main staircase. So be prepared to go in on one end of the building or the other, like up and down the stairs. Just be prepared to have to walk to the end to go down. That the middle one is up only, I believe. So that was another thing that I heard from students that was maybe a little bit confusing, made a couple people run late to class. And hey, let me tell you, I don't want you to come into school tomorrow anxious, nervous, or anything. We are here to help you get readjusted. We haven't had students in the building for like 6 months, so we're excited to have you. And as a result, we know that there's going to be things that are going to slow you down, like one-way stairs and doors that might lock once you walk out them, and then also not knowing where you're going. So ask for help. Stay calm. It's all about welcoming you guys back in the building. And yes, we have some work to do and some teaching to be done, but at the same time, it's your first day back at school in real person, so we want to make it the best for you. Reach out if you guys have any questions. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye.